people of the world strive for their families' bread to make them happy and healthy and ensure that they don't sleep unfed. Bread is eaten by the rich and the poor. It complements both the steak and the supper. Cereals which make up bread are lysine poor and methionine rich, while legumes are methionine impoverished and lysine prolific. Looking at this nutrient stratification of the cuisine society enlightened a food activist to fight for nutrition equality. She put in all her heart and soul to make bread a platform for the society as a whole. She mingled the cereal and legume flours into her wheating bread. She made use of xanthan gum as an affectionate intermediate. Her intelligent prediction of the bread's stormy texture upon the union of the strata made her use of the lovely gum to ensure that the texture was cuddly cute like an offspring after a successful chiasmata. The impressive food activist was utterly devoted to peaceful texture. She got the legume flours admitted for schooling at fermented. The fermentation removed the anti-nutrients of these pupils, just as the light of education eradicates the dark ignorance. Because it's not just about the penny, but also about the pen that makes a society prosper with no hindrance. The activist's ardent endurance built a cuisine society whose peace can't be undermined. She succeeded in developing the model which she had in her mind. If we as a human society want to prosper and flourish, we ought to bestow even the underprivileged an educational nourish, and dissolve in love the rich and the poor, the black and the red, and that is exactly the golden message in what the activist calls as her beloved bread. Thank you.